I took therapy and I am proud of it. How many people can actually say this today in the world? There is one class of people who are averse to taking therapy because of the stigma that is attached to it. There is a second class of people that have taken therapy but would not be proud to announce that to their friends that, hey, I took therapy and I am proud of it. This is the movement that is asking to get created, because today, in the 21st century today, mental health is the most important area where each one of us need to invest in for our personal growth, for our professional growth, and for our growth as an economy, and for our growth as a global, system of human civilization. If we do not look at mental health today and change this approach of managing our stress, of being averse to even look at it, then we are actually heading towards doom. A greater epidemic than corona or any other epidemic is the mental health disorders epidemic that is raging, rampant, but silent. The number of depression cases today are alarmingly high. What is required today is the accessibility, availability, and the reach for therapy and therapists to reach the layman. People today need to be educated or need to be told that, hello, there is help available. You don't have to die. You are too precious. You do not have to suffer in silence. You can always seek out a therapist. Talk to a therapist. And if you are a therapist, what's it going to take for you to reach out to 1,000 more clients? What if each one of us can upload on our Facebook or Twitter profiles, I took therapy and I am proud of it. Hashtag celebrate therapy. This hashtag celebrate therapy is what we want to go global. And this movement of I took therapy and I'm proud of it, what is it going to take for this to go global? What contribution can you and I be to create this as a massive movement, to change in the world, to have a world that is having emotional well-being, to have a world where mental health is no more a taboo, to have a world where therapy is no more a hush-hush. Hashtag celebrate therapy.